Welcome to aminacademy.com. In astronomy, let us discuss about scale model of the solar system. Astronomy often deals with dimensions and distances that far exceed our ordinary experience. What does 1.4 billion kilometers, the distance from the sun to Saturn, really mean to anyone? It can be helpful to visualize such large system in terms of the scale model. In our imaginations, let us build a scale model of our solar system, adopting a scale factor of 1 billion that is reduced to actual solar system by dividing every dimensions by a factor of 10 power 9. Earth Sun has a diameter of 1.3 centimeters regarding the scale, about the size of the grape. The moon is a P orbiting this at a distance of 40 centimeters or a little more than a foot away. Earth moon system fits into a standard backpack. On this model, the sun is nearly about 1.5 meters in diameter, about the average height of an adult, and our Earth is at a distance of 150 meters above one city block from the sun. Jupiter is 5 blocks away from the sun and its diameter is 15 centimeters. About the size of a very large grapefruit. Saturn is 10 blocks of the sun, Uranus 20 blocks, and Neptune 30 blocks. Pluto with a distance that varies quite a bit during its 249-year orbit is currently just beyond 30 blocks and getting farther with time. Most of the moons of the outer solar system are the sizes of the various kinds of seeds orbiting the grapefruit, oranges, and lemons that represent the outer planets. In our scale model, a human is reduced to the dimension of a single atom, and cars and spacecraft to the size of the molecules. Sending the Voyager spacecraft to Neptune involves navigating a single molecule from the Earth grape towards a lemon 5 kilometers away with an accuracy equivalent to the width of a thread in a spider web. It's a little confusing. Now we'll do some details. We can understand this concept. What is the scale model of the solar system? That means a comparison of other planets compared to the size of the sun. Look at here, other planets, how much small looks like. This is a scale model. One example of the scale model. Here, the solar system is enormous. For some people, it may be too big to even imagine, but a scale model can display the planets with their orbits at a size that humans can more easily comprehend. A scale model of the solar system is a small representation of the real solar system. A scale model of a solar system is a physical representation that accuracy reflects the relative sizes and distances between the sun, planets, and other celestial bodies. It's a way to visualize the vast scale of our solar system and helps in understanding the relative sizes and distances between the planets. Proportional representation. What is that? The model maintains the correct proportion of the objects in the solar system. This means the relative sizes of the planets and the sun are accurate as well as the distance between them. Challenges. The immense distance in the solar system make it challenging to create a scale model that can be physically displayed on a smaller scale. The distances between planets are so vast that even a small scale model would require a significant amount of space. Example scales, look at here. This a scale model is 1 is to 9 crores. Might have a sun the size of the typical house, with Mercury being a billiard ball, Earth a cereal bowl, and Neptune is a large pizza, with distances between them being miles apart. This is some model of scale ratio, this one. Educational tools. The scale model are valuable educational tools because they provide a visual representation of the solar system that is difficult to grasp otherwise. They help students understand the size of and distances of the celestial bodies more effectively. Names in the solar system. We humans just don't feel comfortable until something has a name. Types of a butterfly, new elements, and the mountains of Venus all need names for us to feel we are acquainted with them. How do we give names and objects and features in the solar system? Planets and moons are named after gods and heroes in Greek and Roman mythology. Comets are named often the discoverers. Now, so far we discussed a little about the scale model of our solar system. The scale model is used to understand the reader some easier way. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.